Hello everyone, so the module called POS Merge Table Order will help you to merge multiple table orders in a single order. For this, we first have to go into point of sale. Over here in the configuration settings, select bar and you will get a field which is enable merge table order. Once you enable this field, you will be able to merge the tables and make the order. So I have enabled this. Let's go into dashboard and open a session. Once you go in the POS session, you will find all the tables details over here. So let me quickly go into one of the table and proceed with the food category. So I will proceed with these two burger type and I will add also the guest. And if there is no table session ongoing, it will show that data not found error. So now let's go back and select another table and add one or two items. So now table 1 is ongoing order. So when you click on merge table, you will see that one only. So you can simply click over here and merge the tables. You can do the same with different floors as well. So I will select this one and add these two items. So here I can add the merge table. As T1 is merged with T2, it is only showing T2. So I can simply add and merge over here. So all the items is merged into the single table. Now let's suppose if you want to add multiple tables, you can simply do that as well. I will do one or two. So as you can see, you can add these two is ongoing. So you can add and merge all these two in a single order. And you will find all the details in that order in which you have selected the merge table. So as I have selected in T10, all the orders detail will be kept in T10 as well as the guest details. Now let me go ahead with the payment. I will pay. And as you can see here, all the tables which are got merged. So T1 and T9 got merged at the table T10 and the guest. And this is the all details of the bill. And let me go back. So now let's close this session and check how it will look like in backend. So this will be the order. As you can see, all the order details will be here in the table in which you have added it. So this is how this module will help you to merge one or two or multiple tables at a time to proceed with the order. If you have any query, please write down your query in comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.